Hey you guys, it's Miley, and today we're going to be rating all of my fidgets. I have 34 fidgets, and yes, I did put on beautiful, beautiful ring sounds, because they're just like satisfying, just satisfying to the ear. And fidgets are also satisfying to the ear. So if you saw my fidget video where we tested if our fidgets float or sank, you remember that this used to be Stella's. Well, we traded back. I traded her a snapper for and she accepted. It's probably because I told her that Nana told me that I needed it back and I didn't need it back because Nana told me that I needed it back. Alright, let's just get into the video. So, I'm first going to test this one. So, I'm going to rate this one first. I really like this one. The only thing about it, I'm going to rate it a 9 out of 10. Because these, when they're on your wrist, they don't really pop that well. And whenever you pop these, it's kind of hard to pop them again. And they're just not that great. But I still really like this. So, actually maybe an 8 out of 10. Okay. Now, of course, I'm going to rate the big boy. I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10 just because the pops aren't the best pops, but they're still really good. Okay. So, 9 out of 10 for this one. Okay. I can't stop popping it. This one, definitely a 6 out of 10. It's really just not that good. Like, both sides feel the same. I don't know which side is the fast side and then the other side. Well, loud side and quiet side. I don't know if this side is the quiet side or this side is the quiet side. I mean, it's like, it's a 6 out of 10 for sure because the pops just really aren't that great anyways. And this is like a 1 out of 10. It's just so hard. I used to have one of those like stress balls, like the bouncy ball stress balls, like the basketball stress ball. And they were so hard, they don't even squish, they're like so hard. I rate those at 0 out of 10 for sure. Next is this heart popper. I love this heart popper. It's so good. I got it at Ollie's and it's like the best. I'm looking for my small heart popper. What is this one? Oh, okay. This has great ASMR. So, listen. Isn't it so good? Probably like an 11 out of 10. It's so good. I traded a cat noodle for that. It was not good. It was so hairy. Okay, now pop tubes. These are like a 20,000 million out of 10. I love these things. Look into the camera. Look. Oh gosh. That was a pop tube. Awesome. Alright, pop tubes, like 20 million out of 10. Okay, next is monkey noodles. I absolutely love monkey noodles, especially the textured ones. That's what I love. I wish I had some ones that weren't textured because those are really cool too, but I really like them. My favorite one is the dog. Its head is really squishy. And it's textured. Okay, so these are 10 out of 10. Next is mochis. If you just had one mochi, it's not really that good. But if you have like all 3 of them, it's kind of squishy if you squish them together. I'll rate them a 7 out of 10 just because they're just like not too squishy. I like making holes in them so I can go like this. Oh yeah, my friend bit this one. Next is this mini heart puppet. I am, like, even if I already have a mini heart puppet and I rate that one, the pops feel different, so I'm like going to rate them different. So this, I don't know, it's probably like a 7 out of 10. It's just not too good. I mean, it's hard to pop when it's on the ground, so 7 out of 10. Can't keep it on the factory without popping it. Alright, now we have this Dollar General puppet. It's really not that good because the pops go up. Because of that, I'm going to rate it like a 5 out of 10. It's not that good, really. Okay. Next is this little guy. He is so slow rising and so just squishy. 10 out of 10. But actually a 9 out of 10. Because he did have these little air bubbles everywhere. I mean, it is from the Dollar Tree, like what do you expect? But he had these air bubbles and they kept on popping. Well, this one is the only one that pops. But yeah, so 9 out of 10 just because of the air bubbles. Next is marshmallows. I don't know if you really require these as fidgets. I do. Because it's a squishmallow. You squish it, you can like pull these and it's fun to pull its tail. But I'd probably rate it like a 9 out of 10. He's so cute. He's squishy. He's soft. I love to sleep with him. So 9 out of 10 for this one. But he's kind of hard to tell. I mean, so that's why I did that. 9 out of 10. This poppet is like really bad. But I'm going to rate it a 6 out of 10 still. Because on the fast side, you can do this. Oh, not even that good anymore. So 0 out of 10 for this poppet. I'm probably going to trade it or scam someone for it. I love this poppet. I would probably never trade it. I traded my giant snake and then a spinner ball for it. I didn't like either of those things, so. But I love this. Okay. And I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10 though, because these are just a delicate. Sometimes on the other side they like come up. So 9 out of 10 for this puppet. Just listen to his ASMR from that. Isn't that just so good? And I love these ring sounds. They're amazing. Okay, so pop it. Alright. Oh, here's another mochi. Wait, I'm gonna lick it. Wait, that'll be good. Okay, this one. I just don't really know. I mean, it's an octopus. It's really cute, so that gives you a point up. This part is really hard to pop up with, especially with one hand. These are like really good, the little pops in here. They're really good. That gives it 2 points up. And then this is really good, so that gives it 3 more points up. So that's probably like 8 out of 10. This is an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. Okay. Now, my homemade squishy. I absolutely love this one. Everybody says it's bad, but I think it's amazing. Just listen to this. And yes, I am a skeleton. Okay. I count this as a fidget for some reason. I just like playing with it and like fidgeting with it. I like just like taking these off and putting them like at the bottom. It looks super cool. This is 10 out of 10. I love this fidget. Well, it's not supposed to be a fidget, but I use it as a fidget. Because it's so much fun playing. 10 out of 10. Okay. Next one is this gas station poppet. It's pretty good. I'm gonna rate it probably 7 out of 10 though, because the other side isn't really that good. It's like pretty bad. But listen to it next one. If you're wondering what the beeping is, that is on the good part. Well, side by side, whatever it's called. So this is 7 out of 10. We don't have much left. Alright, time for the puzzle ball. So with the puzzle ball, I just don't really like it, you know. It's loud, it kind of hurts your fingers. I never really play with it that much. It's just kind of bad. I'm not saying that's like really bad, no hate to the person who made these, but I just don't like them that much, right? I play with it sometimes. It's fun to play with sometimes. And solving the puzzle when you get it all mixed up a lot is kind of frustrating. I'll rate it 5 out of 10. No, mini shrink, 10 out of 10. Nothing to say about it, just 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Perfect. Alright, this squishy. 9 out of 10, it's pretty good. I like it, it's super cute. 10 out of 10. No, 9 out of 10. Snappers. I'm gonna rate this an 8 out of 10 because after a while it kind of gets your hand. It kind of hurts your hand. But it's pretty and it's fun to do. But like doing it for an hour. Alright. This Simple Dimple. It used to be my dream fidget. But you have to get in this like exact place where you're able to like press the top one and the bottom one. So I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10. Still really like it. This is like straight up 10 out of 10. I got it at a arcade and I love it. I did have a water snake, but I traded it. Look. Okay, 10 out of 10, you get the point. Alright. Now, we have infinity cubes. I think I'm this one. It is amazing. And it's just so fast. So 10 out of 10 for the infinity cube. Alright, you guys, that's all of my fidgets. This used to be the pile, and now it is empty. And all over here, I rated every single one of the fidgets. So if you were like wanting to get some fidgets, make sure you get a dice too. If you get a poppet, make sure you get a dice, especially if you have a big poppet. That was all for today's video. If you guys were going to go get poppets or any kind of fidget, then this video may help you know what's kind of good. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this squishy scented. I wish you guys could smell it. I wish. Well, that's all for today. Hey Google, turn off rain sounds. Thank you. Okay, that's all for today's video. Bye.